friends, welcome back to my channel. Megan Alfonseca here. Today we are in the beautiful Agua Esmeralda. We're at the private beach. We're going to look at the area here so you guys can take a mini tour with me, get to know what we have here exactly and what is to come. So we have some really exciting news. A brand new complex is coming out in this location. I know a lot of people always ask me, hey, I wanted Agua Esmeralda, but I didn't move fast enough. Well, guess what? You're gonna have your chance now. So I wanted to make sure everyone gets a look and see what we have here. So when this new project comes out, you are ready for it and you get your chance at this amazing investment opportunity. So as you can see here, there is a beautiful beach, white sands, turquoise waters, just like everyone wants for their own beach home or their investment. And we also have a beachfront restaurant bar here for right now. This, of course, is a temporary setup because most things are under construction at the moment. So you can still come here and enjoy the gorgeous beach that we have. But of course, there's going to be amazing upgrades once we get ahead with all of this construction. So a lot of you already know the Agua Esmeralda complex here, but we have something new and amazing. Of course, I can't give you details yet, but I will give you a sneak peek that something new and amazing is coming right next door by the same amazing construction company. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous, but you're gonna have to check back for details with me because I'm not allowed to say anything else. Of course, if you are lucky enough to potentially get a resale in Agua Esmeralda, we're gonna go ahead and do a little mini tour in there as well, so you can see the quality of the construction that they do here on this complex. A lot of you also know that the sister building to Agua Esmeralda is Wild Diamond, which is going to be next to this building over here. So we're going to take a little walk around, get to know the place, and then we're going to go check out one of the apartments so you can see it for yourself. So let's first go to the beach so you guys can enjoy the beautiful view. Isn't this just breathtaking? It is so gorgeous. You have your typical Dominican white sand beaches. The ocean is super flat today. It's a great day to go paddle boarding. As you can see, people are already out enjoying the water. Maybe go for some snorkel time out here. Very relaxing, very luxurious. Can't get much better than this. So something special to note is that with all of these different opportunities that are popping up in this chunk of land, basically in this area over here, there will be other upgrades within this complex so that you can enjoy. Of course, there's going to be a gorgeous beach club with restaurant and bar. What is here right now is pretty much temporary, just to serve people who are here and who like to use this beach on weekends. But there's going to be an upgrade to this section. And towards the front of the complex is going to be an awesome, basically, sports area. So you'll have your gym, your tennis and paddle courts, everything that you'll want in terms of sports up towards the front. And of course, so many more amenities. Each complex has their amenities. Of course, there's 24/7 security. There's lobby, cigar bar, Turkish bath. There's so many different things that are offered within these complexes. So there's a lot to do here, of course. Let's go ahead and check out one of the apartments so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. So as you can see, this is under construction. This section over here is already handed in, so they put up a privacy fence and lots of palm trees for privacy over here. You have these saltwater pools, which is very typical of this construction company. Absolutely beautiful. And then of course you see lots of construction going on because they're working hard to make sure that they hand these properties in, and it'll basically be an extension of this field out back towards that way. Like I said, we're in the complex right now of Aqua Esmeralda, and that's what we'll be looking at right now. All right, welcome. This is an example of one of the 1-bedroom units. So we'll go ahead and take a look. And of course, there's a huge terrace to enjoy the absolutely gorgeous view. Nice heavy-duty doors here. Come on in. So of course in this particular unit we have a lovely beachfront view. You also have a pool view. It's absolutely gorgeous. This one is already furnished and ready to go. This one is obviously a model unit that we have to show people what exactly you could do with your property. This area is Airbnb friendly, so if you're considering purchasing a unit for investment purposes, of course it'd be an amazing place to use for your own beach vacation. But of course as well, you can always use it for investment purposes. There's lots of space here for socializing for your family, a perfect size kitchen for your beach home. And then if you come back over here, we have the bedroom, the bathroom, and the laundry area. Of course, off of the bedroom, we do have another balcony here. You could put on a cute little chair set and have your morning coffee there if you would like. And then over here we have the large master bathroom. Same concept of lots of open window space, lots of natural light coming in. It's absolutely gorgeous. Take advantage of this beautiful Caribbean sun that we have. And then over here, of course, you have the water heater and your laundry area. Kind of all the personal area off to the back, but lots of socializing and entertainment over here. Like I said, we do have a brand new complex that's going to be coming out shortly. In just a little bit, we will get an exact date for you and of course details. So make sure that you stay posted. I will of course post a video of all the details of the new complex and all the information on how you can reserve your unit. Of course, it is in this beachfront area, so it's going to be a hot project. Whatever pops out here on the beachfront, it typically goes quickly. So go ahead and you can get in touch with me. My information for contact is always in the description of the video or down below. Feel free to get in touch with me and ask me any details so we guys can get you ready before this project comes out officially onto the market so you're ready to reserve your unit. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you for the next video.